Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best EDC flashlights on Amazon. An everyday carry, or EDC, flashlight can help you in everyday emergency situations around your home, garage, or when camping. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Gearlight LED Tactical Flashlight. Gearlight didn't cut corners when designing the S1000 flashlight, and this is evident from its high-strength, aircraft-grade aluminum alloy housing. The case can survive a 10-foot drop, being submerged in water, and extreme weather conditions, including a heavy downpour and snow. Also, the head of the flashlight has an anti-roll design, while the rest of the body has an embossed finish to provide maximum grip. Its illuminating power is unparalleled since it can provide a steady beam over a distance of 1,000 feet. Therefore, it's a great option for nighttime fishing, hunting, or hiking. Besides that, there are 5 modes to choose from, including high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS modes. The functions can be adjusted from the tail cap switch with just one hand. In addition, the package comes with 2 flashlights, rechargeable AAA batteries, and a holster. Number 2. Streamlight Mainstream Flashlight. Armed with an output of 250 lumens, this everyday carry flashlight is ready to light up your path up to 68 meters. The flashlight is perfect if you are looking for something small for easy portability with a wide beam distance. The light comes in 2 modes, which are high and low modes that will serve you for 1.5 and 3.5 hours, respectively. The Keychain light also helps you carry it with ease. One of the advantages of this flashlight is that it is built to last. The durable, machined aluminum construction and the unbreakable polycarbonate will serve you for years. If you are careful, you can add many years of service. The item is not entirely perfect, though. You will have occasional issues with the interchangeable modes. It may stop working suddenly before it resumes after a while. The battery runtime is low, as it can only last 4 hours after a full charge. Number 3. Streamlight 88061 ProTac Tactical Light. Much like other Streamlight flashlights, the ProTac also has a compact profile and a tactical design that makes it a convenient everyday carry tool. The flashlight uses C4 LED technology, which has a 50,000-hour runtime and utilizes solid-state power regulation technology to ensure that it provides maximum illumination throughout the battery life. The battery is rated at 3 watts for maximum power efficiency and provides 350 lumens, which is enough to illuminate a dark room. In addition, it comes with 4 modes. High, 1.75-hour runtime, medium, 3.5-hour runtime, low, and strobe. The ProTac flashlight is built to last with a high temperature, anodized aluminum construction, and an impact-resistant glass lens. It can survive being submerged in 3 feet of water for 30 minutes or a 6-foot drop. Number 4. ThruNite V2 Keychain Flashlight. This flashlight has the longest lifespan in this category, as it can serve you for more than 20 years with proper care. The secrets behind this lifespan are the AAA batteries and shock resistance, which avoids breakage thanks to the strong aluminum body. It has 3 different modes: high, low, and strobe. It is so small that you will mistake it for a pen light, but this strengthens its portability. This flashlight is comfortable and portable. It has a lanyard that you can attach to your key holder. Also, it has a 2-way reverse clip for holding in pockets. You will also love the fact that it is 1px8 waterproof, so you can even use it underwater. The only downside of this flashlight is that it's not super bright, so you can't use it from a long distance. You will also have a difficult time trying to determine how the different modes work. Number 5. Anker Rechargeable Boulder Flashlight. Anker is one of the leading brands in high-quality, rechargeable flashlights, and the Boulder LC40 is a testament to the brand's popularity. It comes packing a rechargeable 3350 mAh battery that recharges for about 6 hours and can run for up to 20 hours on a medium light setting. The flashlight uses Creo LED bulbs that produce 400 lumens and have a 50,000-hour lifespan. It can operate in 5 settings: high, medium, low, strobe, and SOS mode. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.